Ma'am, yes.
Answer.
Ma'am, James Rennell produced first map of Hindustan in 1782.
Okay. Harmanpal Singh, answer.
Ma'am, first ki second?
Yes. First question.
Ma'am, James Renner.
Okay. So you people can give you yourself how many marks?
Ma'am, कितने marks का
1
था?
marks का ही था
Ma'am,
question.
1 marks.
Ma'am, 1 mark.
Assign 1 marks. Coming to second question. Ananya, second question, bache.
Yes, ma'am. What was the problem of periodization of James Mill?
What was the problem of periodization periodization made by James Mill? That's right. Coming to answer from Toranya. Yes, Toranya. Toranya,
Yes, ma'am.
answer beta.
James Mill was the first person who did the division of Indian history into 3 volumes, Hindu, Muslim and British. But there were many problems with the periodization of Indian history. At that time, these various periods that James Mill explained, which was Hindu, Muslim and British, there were also people of different religions in the respected time periods and have their own unique stories which James Mill failed to display. Before Hindu, Muslim, and British period explained by James Mill, India has its own unique history which did not become a part of James Mill division. Thus, the division done by James Mill is not appropriate.
Perfect answer, this Toranya. Perfect answer. 5 out of
Thank
5.
you, ma'am.
If it is of 5 marks, just telling you. Huh?
Ma'am,
So,
3 marks.
I know. Means if it is a 5 mark, you are getting 5 out of 5. Perfect answer. So you have basic 2 points are there, which she has beautifully covered the point. First point she has given, that is Hindu Muslim and were not only existing religions at that time, they were they were existing simultaneously. It was not like this: one religion existed, another religion was got disappeared. It was not at all like this. Second, she has explained that they didn't write anything about the common people. Very perfectly well elaborated. Keep it up, beta. Next question, Ananya.
Why British preserved documents?
Why Britishers preserved documents? Coming to Anjani. Yes, Anjani. Anjani. Yesterday also I took your name. You were not there. Anjani. Yes, Anjani.
Britishers are in the habit of writing each and everything that they do for the administration of any region. Britishers also preserve these records as they give them many advantages. These information preserved in the form of records can help them to know about the progress done by the country in the past.
Huh?
It must act as a helper for the other administration to know what decisions they have made in the past. It
Right.
could serve as proof if needs in the future.
Perfect. And one more line you can add here. Perfect था. एक और line अगर जुड़ जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया. So which is that line? If any one of you have written that extraordinary line that I've spoken while giving lecture. Any one of you. That one particular line which she has missed. Yes, anyone? Huh?
So there were record rooms in every institution, near every institution. Also, some important documents were preserved in archives.
That's right. Perfectly right. One more line is I moved. Record
Ma'am,
room is.
Ma'am, the preserved documents reveals the progress made by the country in the past.
No, she has given this point, Lavish. She has already given this point, but in a different.
Ma'am, that one can study the notes and reports which were prepared in the past.
No,
Ma'am, debates के लिए.
no.
Preserve documents safely in order so that no one other can copy their document.
No, one thing where people are living.
Ma'am, their copies may be made and used in modern.
No.
Ma'am, documents were helpful in undertaking social, economical, and history of those days.
No. These points are not incorrect, whatever you are speaking. All are correct, but all these points already is spoken by that girl. So the point.
And they hired people which wrote in calligraphy the records.
No.
Ma'am, can I speak?
हाँ जी बच्चे.
This could act as a strong proof so that no one could even try to go against them.
No. This question was how many marks? How many marks? This question
मैम
was of
1-2 मार्क्स का होना है, शायद.
Lavish.
Ma'am,
5
3
marks.
marks, ma'am, 3
मैम
marks.
3 मार्क्स
3
का है.
marks.
Marks
3
का
3
marks.
marks.
मैम
This
मेरे को
question,
पर्टिकुलर मार्क्स नहीं पता था.
this was of 3 marks, and with the question paper, marks were written. Kindly read the paper thoroughly and switch off your speaker. Now I'm going to tell you the line which I was asking for. That is, National Archive of India is in New Delhi. So that is missing. Next time, be careful. Okay. Next question, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Who was the first Governor General and last Viceroy of India?
Right.
Ma'am.
Very simple. No, Lavish, please. First of all, switch off your speaker. But a disturbance is there, and there are a number of other students. I have to ask from them also. If you know the answer, appreciable. Gurdit. Gurdit, you're raising your hand. Yes. Gurdit.
Ma'am, first governor. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, beta. Hanji.
First governor was Sri Raja Gopalachari, and the last viceroy of India is the Lord Mountbatten.
Okay. Okay. This was of 2 marks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Last question is, who wrote a history of British India? 1 mark question. Any one of you?
Ma'am, James Mill.
Okay.
James
Done.
James.
How many of you scored 10 out of 10?
मैम me.
Good. Okay. So we have discussed the paper, and next week there would be test of next chapter of history. Okay, beta? Right now I've told you. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the topic of geography. The only topic which is left, that is resources. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct start.
Yes.
Correct start. Now shift from civics to geography.
मैम okay.
No disturbance, nothing like that. Doubts are most welcomed, but फालतू की बातें are not at all allowed. ठीक है? First of all, let me know what is a resource. Raise your hand, then give me the answer. What is a resource? Those who have already raised their hand, you can put it down. Yes. Coming to only one child, Ananya. Yes, Ananya.
A thing that has a utility or value that satisfy our need is a resource.
Anything which is which satisfy our need, our our demand, that is a resource having utility and value. Okay. Okay. Resource is whatever we are using, useful to us, that is known as a resource. Or the very simple example she has given, utility as well as of value having, that is known as a resource. For example, right now, laptop is a resource for me. Fan is a resource for me. Wherever I'm sitting, that is a resource for me. Vegetable is a resource for me. Food is a resource for me. All these are the resources because they have some utility. Utility means what? Anything which is useful to us. That is utility. Usefulness. Anything becomes a resource only when it is useful to us. Then it becomes a resource. Is this point clear? Second is value. I'm moving with the example given by Ananya. Value. Everything has having a value. A laptop has a value. This electricity has a value. TV has a value. But all the resource value means what? Worth of something. Worth of something. But value is not of same kind. For example, if I say I have say one chain of gold, it has some value in the market. I can go to the this jeweler. I can sell off my chain, I can get the money. It has some value. Right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, right. Now,
Right, ma'am.
second example. I'm in a mountainous area. I can see the huge, beautiful scenic beauty there. Beautiful scenes of clouds or sunshine or sunrise or of mountains or of waterfall. Value. What type kind of value it is? Scenic value. But do you think this value for this value I can get the money?
Ma'am, no.
No. No. So value भी अलग अलग type की है. Some of the resources have a value. For example, some resources have economical value. Economical value in the sense the value through which we earn money. Like I'm doing some kind of job. It's economical value. I'm teaching you people. Economical value for me. If you are coming to my place and I'm teaching you few things on my own. I'm not working in any of the institution, but you have some doubt, you have come to me and I'm teaching you. That doesn't have any economical, I'm not taking money from you. That doesn't have any economical value. So any resource is what? Anything which is useful to us. And they have some value also. कोई भी चीज you can talk about around you. Whatever you can see is a resource. But some resources have their economical value. Some resources don't have their economical value, but they satisfy our needs. Up mountainous area, how come it satisfy our need? When Ebola say I'm in a mountainous region, I'm seeing a beautiful scenes of mountains or of waterfall or of rivers. How come it satisfy my need? Which need it would satisfy? Any one of you?
Ma'am, nothing would be satisfied, ma'am, because we can't earn money, ma'am, because of them or
Ma'am,
from
our
them.
mind will be satisfied.
Exactly, Akul. Right. Arish, nothing would be satisfied. Then why we people go during summer break to mountainous areas, the beaches? क्यों जाते हैं हम लोग? क्यों जाते हैं?
Ma'am, so that our
Ma'am,
mind will
summers में hill stations.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so, yes,
Why? Why? Why?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
to
to-
ma'am see scenic beauty and ma'am some cold weather is there.
Why? Why? That's
yes.
asking. Scenic beauty
Ma'am,
देखने
to
के लिए जा
escape
रहे हैं.
us from the hot weather.
Okay, to escape us from the hot weather, है ना? Because we want to satisfy our own need. Need क्या है? I want a change. That is a need. Need क्या है? I want to see how Dubai looks like. I want to see how Pacific Ocean looks like. That is a need. Need कौन सी है? मेरे मन की है, मेरे दिल की है. Some of the resources I have already told you, some of the resources have economical value, some of the resources don't have economical value, but they satisfy our need. For example, every day if you consume food, say chapati in the morning, chapati in the evening, same dal, morning and night. tummy तो full हो रही है. Satisfy your need. आपको फुल्का मिल रहा है, एनर्जी मिल रही है. But every day same.
Ma'am, getting bored.
Getting bored, है ना? Doesn't satisfy our need. कौन सी need है? कि we want change. क्यों change चाहिए we want? Because we are fed up from this. So we want change. कि सुबह कुछ और हो, दोपहर को कुछ और होना चाहिए, रात को कुछ और होना चाहिए. Resource. So खाना तो है, लेकिन उसकी value in the sense, खाना का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ टम्मी फिल करना. It should have some here also. It should satisfy our personal need also. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? Okay. Next, whenever we talk about a resource, everything is not like this. Ki everything would become a resource. Yeah, each and कोई भी चीज जो अर्थ के ऊपर है, it would turn into a resource today only. Yeah. जो भी right now. Okay, let me explain it with the help of an example. I think that's a better way. For example, uranium and thorium. Have you heard these two? Uranium, thorium. सुना है? नहीं सुना है?
Yes, ma'am, सुना है.
सुना.
Yes,
Metals.
ma'am.
These are the metals, beta. Minerals है.
Yes.
These are used for nuclear explosion. Nuclear energy में we use it. Uranium and thorium, two minerals we use in nuclear explosion. Nuclear energy, if you want to produce, we use it. uranium and thorium was not at all in demand before nuclear energy. Means आज से 100 साल 50 साल 200 साल पहले these two were not at all in demand. But right now, क्यों? Because we have, with the passage of time, we have developed a technology to use uranium and thorium for the production of energy. We are talking about two things here, time के साथ साथ technology. Time के साथ साथ मतलब आज से 50,000 साल पहले भी uranium and thorium was available, but we were not knowing the use of it. Yeah, or simple example I'm going to give you. I think every one of you have heard about solar energy. You can't say no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. अब solar energy is not like this कि sun आज से है, sun तो कब से है, जब से अर्थ है तब से sun उससे पहले से है. But right now we have started producing energy from the sun, which we call it as a solar energy. That has happened due to technology, due to time. इतने time से sun है. Right now we have started using this as a solar energy because we have developed the technology to use it. Is this point clear? Resource तो पहले से ही था, sun तो बहुत time से था, but अभी हमने time के साथ, technology के साथ, we have started using it as for the production of energy. One more example, hydroelectricity. Electricity which we are using right now at our homes. This electricity is actually produced from the rivers, है ना? Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, Indus river, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, ये सारी rivers are not at all new rivers, existing since long. Resource थे हमारे पास, and but at that time we were using these resources either for boating or for navigation or for catching fish or for irrigating a field. But right now, with the help of technology, we are able to use these rivers for the production of electricity, which we call it as hydroelectricity, which has made possible just because of technology. With the passage of time, we developed the technology, and right now we are able to use water not only for fishing, not only for navigation, not only for drinking, not only for trading, but also for electricity. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? Beta, you have to say yes or say no, ma'am. I mean, hands up,
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up or thumbs down, है ना? अगर
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
नहीं,
Yes.
okay. If you won't speak anything, so it would be boring then. Should be clear to everyone of you. Okay. Next. So two factors are important whenever we have to develop a resource. One is time, second is technology. ठीक है? Time के साथ साथ technology develop हो जाती है if we want. Take an example of this. We are sitting at home right now, using our phone or laptop, PCs and all that, attending the classes. Not at all expected. 2 साल पहले पता भी नहीं था. What is Zoom and what is the attachment app and nothing. We knew nothing 2 साल पहले. But with the time and technology was existing, we learned how to use it. Started taking classes online also. That is what? A resource. पहले my laptop was not at all a resource for me. Right now, this laptop is working as a proper resource for me. Technology become useful with the passage of time. अब यहाँ पे time prominent की example I have elaborated. All of you clear with this? Hands up, thumbs up or thumbs down? जी बोलो जी. Okay, good. Good. Next heading we have type of resources. Type of resources means various categories we have of resources, but generally we say we have 3 type of resources. 8th May we will do 3. Up senior classes may when you would reach, you would do maximum. Okay, okay. I'm just telling you one thing. Whatever you're doing in 8th now, beta वो सारा 10th का syllabus है actual में. But 8th में it is in a short form, 10th में it is in a expanded form. ठीक है? अभी 8th में छोटे बच्चे की तरह है, 10th में ये mature हो जाएगा syllabus आपका. So type of resources, 3: natural, human and human-made resources. Can I start? Okay. Natural. What do you mean by natural resources? Simple. Raise your hand and then speak
Ma'am,
up.
by nature.
Raise
Ma'am,
your hand.
occur naturally.
Raise your hand and then speak up. Harman.
Ma'am, the resources that are created by the nature.
For example,
Ma'am, for example, water.
yes, that's right. Natural resource created by nature. Naturally, it is there. Water, mountains, rivers, plateau, plain, soil. Yes, are natural. What is human made resources? Raise your hand and then speak up. Akul, human made resources
Ma'am, made by human.
made by human. For example,
For example, roads,
yes,
buildings, etc.
yes, right, right. Human made means the resources which are made by human being. Roads, buildings, cars, mobiles, furniture, human made resource. Human resource, third category. Human resource, what is it? Ananya,
The resources that humans can make by the help of their knowledge.
repeat karna bache. The resources,
The resources that human can make by the help of their knowledge.
the resources which humans can make with the help of their knowledge. वो तो human made नहीं हो गया. आधा ठीक है आंसर. Some I am not still elaborate it more. बेटा examples elaborate करो. Then I would be able to.
Ma'am, example newspaper, TV.
वो तो human made हो गया.
Ma'am, families.
Ma'am, religion, family.
वो resource
Religion,
human
fam-
resource हो गया. और सोचो.
Resource नहीं है.
हाँ resource थोड़ी है वो. और सोचो. Okay, I am sitting in front of you a human resource. अब बताओ.
Ma'am, human resource में plants and animals आएंगे.
मुझे नहीं पता. I'm asking.
नहीं मैम, मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ.
ह्यूमन रिसोर्स में प्लांट्स कैसे आएंगे बेटा जी? थोड़ा सोच. अंजनी, यस अंजनी.
Education. Exactly.
हाँ, कैसे? यस कैसे? स्पीक अप.
मैम, एजुकेशन ह्यूमंस का रिसोर्स है.
मैम वो ह्यूमन से बनाई है एजुकेशन तो.
So Anjani's point was correct, but I guess she has having some problem in speaker. So Anjani, your point I'm going to elaborate. Human resource. Every human being is a resource. I have given you the example of hydroelectricity. I have given the example of furniture. I have given you the example of gadgets which you are using. Made by human. जो गैजेट्स हैं वो ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स है. जिन लोगों ने ह्यूमन बीइंग मतलब हम सब सपोज इन गैजेट्स को बनाया विद देयर स्किल, विद देयर नॉलेज, विद देयर एजुकेशन, दैट ह्यूमन इज अ रिसोर्स हु मेड ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर और नॉट? यस और नो? Yes, ma'am. Right now, before 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 4 seconds, some of you were not clear with the meaning of human resource. Your teacher explained it to you. You learned it. You have come to know the meaning of this. Now your teacher is acting like a human resource. Is this point clear or not?
मैम, यस, क्लियर.
Clear, है ना? So human resource is every human being except mentally retarded. Every human being act like a resource. हम सभी resource हैं. If we are educated, if we are healthy, if we possess certain skills, all of us are acting like a human resource. Whatever resources we can see around us, maybe building, maybe houses, maybe flyover, maybe tower, this, that, all are made by human beings. So those human beings are considered to be as a human resource. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, all of you would give me the example of human resource and should not be a teacher, should not be the example which I have quoted to you. आपने अपने example से बताना है. Simranpreet, I'm coming to you, beta. Who is considered to be called as a human resource?
Ma'am, Aryabhatta
हाँ,
gives the
Aryabhatta.
knowledge about
Yeah.
water.
Do you think you also
Thomas Alva Edison.
okay? Do you think you also act as a human resource? All the kids sitting here.
Yes, sometimes.
Yes, very right point. Sometimes the word you आपने use किया ना, perfect point. Sometimes. Note, ultimately you are in the process of transformation. You are turning into a resource. You are turning into a human resource. आप transformation process में हो. But yes, Harman ने बहुत अच्छा line he has used. That is sometimes. Harman, when you act like a human resource?
Ma'am, when we are teaching something or ma'am, we are telling something to someone
Very
which is
right.
helpful.
Very right, Arish. Very right. Very right. Suppose you have a small sibling at home. कुछ छोटा brother है, कुछ छोटी sister है. She has some doubts. You go and explain or make her doubts clear. At that time, you act like a human resource. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
okay. So we have three kind of resources. First, natural, made by nature. Human made, made by human being, and human resource. Any individual who possess certain skills, certain education, he or she is healthy, act like a human resource. ठीक है जी? Now I have one question. In all countries of the world, we have human resources. But then why some countries and all the countries of the world, they have natural resources, they are human made resources, they are human resources. But why certain countries are much more developed as compared to other countries? Why all countries are not equally developed?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
utilization of
developed countries
resources.
might have the more amount of minerals in their soil or more amount of
Ma'am,
human.
utilization of the proper amount. Utilization.
Okay. अगर मैं उसको, if I simplify the question, out of these three resources, which one is the most important resource?
Natural.
Natural resource.
Natural resources.
Okay. Natural resources. Japan is a country which is very poor in natural resources. They don't have a fertile soil. They don't have a level land. Rather, they have a mountainous area. Tsunami is very common there. Floods are very common there. Earthquakes are very common. Their resources, they are having no, they are not at all rich in natural resources. But Japan is one of the developed countries of the world. Because
मैम वो टेक्नोलॉजी में आ गए हैं ना बाकी कंट्रीज से.
okay, technology में आ गए हैं. तो technology is fall under which category of resources?
Human resources.
Ma'am, human made.
Human made resources. Human made resources means who made them? Who made the technology?
Ma'am, human.
Human.
Ma'am,
So
human.
out of all the resources available to us, which one is most important?
Human.
Human
Human
resource.
made.
I'm repeating. Human.
Water.
Who is saying
Ma'am,
water?
अगर natural resources ही नहीं होंगे तो फिर human कहाँ से होगा?
Ma'am, yes, क्योंकि water natural resource है ना, अगर water ही नहीं होगा
मैम अगर
तो
जापान
survival
में एक
कैसे?
बूंद वाटर
If you
हो तो
will,
वहाँ पे आज कोई नहीं होता ही
if
ना.
you will speak like this, so my answer is going to be, what would be my answer?